The Indian auto market is growing faster than any other country in the world. Sales have gone up 40% in the last year. And if you are going to hop onto the bandwagon, pun unintended, then this show is going to be of use to you. Now, your car dealer will offer you an option for a loan, but that might not be the best option in the market. The best option is a combination of low interest rates, low processing charges and good customer service. And that's a lot of research for you to do. So our team has already done the groundwork, and this week we bring you the best auto loans in the country. Finding the right auto loan could bring down your total cost by 30 to 50,000 rupees. Now, while your car dealer might have offered you a seemingly perfect bundle of discounts, loan and insurance, it might not be the best offer in the market.
Common market knowledge that a dealer would make about 2% commission on your 5 lakh or your 10 lakh car loan, which is a significant amount of money, and there's a lot of bargaining you can do at the dealership to make sure you get the best deal.
Everybody who does car loans essentially gives you an all-in service, which means they will also sell you insurance and they make margins on that insurance, car insurance. They'll also try and sell you the registration of the vehicle, again on which there is a administrative margin. So typically, because it's a bundled product, you as a customer, it probably makes sense for you to first unbundle it, okay, and then say, okay, I will take each of these products wherever I get them the cheapest.
Let's take a closer look at your auto loan. Like any other loan, it involves an interest rate, a processing fee and a prepayment penalty. The best loan in the market would be a combination of the lowest interest rates and processing fees, good customer service and the lowest prepayment penalty, because you might want to pay off your loan entirely after the 3rd year. What you need to first do is calculate the total cost of your loan. Simply add up all of your EMIs and the fees and deduct the on-road price of the car from that amount. You now have your total cost, the main criteria by which you will choose your loan.
I think there are two ways you can do it. One is, whoever you're taking the loan from, your banker or your dealer, sit them down and say that, fine, I understand that there are multiple rates, but tell me what is my EMI in each year, and then make, you add it up and see what your total cost is. The others, you go online, and online, everything is in printed format. You're not verbally discussing this with anyone. So very explicitly, it lists out what is your EMI for each year, and then it adds it up, tells you what your total cost is.
Now, the interest rate from the same bank will vary based on the cost of the car, the duration of the loan and your credit history. So if you compare the total cost of all the loans available in the market for a 5 lakh rupee car on a 5-year loan, assuming the borrower has good credit history, the cheapest loan is from HDFC Bank at 10% fixed interest and has a total cost of 20% of the borrowed amount. Next is Punjab National Bank at 11% fixed, daily reducing, with a total cost of 23%. And Reliance Consumer Finance at 11%, which will cost you 23.2%. SBI offers a teaser auto loan rate as well. Just like a home loan, your rate is fixed at 8.5% in the first year, 10.5% for the next 2 years and base rate plus 3.5% in the next 2 years. While this might seem tempting, the total cost works out to much higher than the fixed rate of 10.5% over 5 years. Now that you have the cheapest loan on paper, it's important to remember that smart negotiating with your car dealer can bring down your loan rate drastically.
If you negotiate properly, there are a lot of fat margins inbuilt. For a good customer, if he negotiates properly, he can save as much as, on a loan of 7 lakhs, he can look at saving close to 25 to 30,000 rupees if he negotiates properly.
So go ahead and buy your dream car, but remember, if you borrow from the bank that you already have an account with, you might be able to get a better rate based on your relationship. Choose a bank that gives you the best customer service. And if you're someone who might decide to change your car every 3 years, pick a loan with the lowest term to avoid the prepayment penalties of 4 to 6%.